On May 28th, Department of Transportation Highway Patrol Officer Latonio Larson was parked on the eastbound side of Interstate 630 near the John Barrow Road exit in Little Rock. Officer Lawson observed a white Toyota 4Runner in the center lane traveling at a high rate of speed. His front radar indicated the vehicle speed at 70 miles per hour in a 50 mile per hour construction zone. Officer Lawson observed the vehicle going in and out of traffic between other vehicles, trying to blend in an attempt to hide from him. Officer Lawson was able to stop the vehicle at the university exit. The vehicle subsequently pulled into the parking lot of the Staybridge Hotel. The driver of the vehicle was identified as Doralee Chandler, the administrative director of the Arkansas Alcoholic Beverage Control Agency. What follows is video from dash and body cameras of the traffic stop.
Alright, let's go here. Shucks. 345 to 35. 345. 345 to 35. My God, it's still went up. Okay, ma'am, this is what I've done. I've cited you for your speeding. Be careless and prohibited because you're 20 over the speed limit. You got to slow it down just a little bit because that is a construction area, okay? All right. Oh, you're probably moving a little fast for the signs. Yeah, but you're 20 over, so. But the speed limits are, where'd you get on the intersection? The interchange?
Yes.
They have those signs if you're coming from north or south. When you make the interchange, they have the suggested speeds, which they're supposed to post in any construction zone. They're orange, and then they have the white lettering suggested speed 50. Then after you bypass that, the first sign is right there at Baptist. It tells you to reduce your speed before you even get off at the Baptist exit. As you pass that one, there's another one right there at John Barrow.
Okay. Well, I missed the first one because I was trying to keep the car behind me. So.
Gotta slow it down just a little bit. Okay, ladies.
Thank you.
All right. At the base of that citation, when you flip it over, ma'am, there's a highlighted area there.
Okay.
That's all your court information on there. You do want to give them 3 business days before you call them, okay?
Okay.
In other words, if you call tomorrow or something, it won't be in the system, so give them those 3 days.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Yeah, these people got some stories.
Little Arkansas Street at 179, 176, and 57 check.
On June 3rd, a hearing was held before Judge Wayne Gruber in Pulaski County District Court. Chandler pleaded guilty to the 2 violations: speeding more than 15 miles per hour over the limit and careless and prohibited driving in a construction zone with workers present. Judge Gruber postponed the judgment and placed her on probation for 6 months and set a review hearing for November 26th. Chandler only paid a $100 fine for the violations. any other person would have received a $400 fine for the careless and prohibited driving in a construction zone with workers present, and would have had to attend defensive driving classes. White privilege has its perks.